Hey guys, Nicole with A-Frayed-Knot, and today we're going to make an adorable gift bag using an essential stencil and some AFK Chalk Paint. This bag that I'm using came from the Dollar Tree. You can find them there, and they're reusable, so it's pretty cool. You can comment stencil to get more information on essential stencils. Right now I'm just taping down the stencil that I decided to use. You can use any stencil that you like. They're all really fun to use for gift bags. So I'm stenciling with the color Midnight, the entire stencil. You want to make sure to offload paint and use a almost dry brush when you are stenciling. This way you'll avoid the bleed through. And then I'm making sure to get it dry. Be careful when you're drying your stencils because they are plastic. So I'm taking some masking tape and I am taping over certain portions of the stencil because what I want to do is paint the inside of the bee stripes with a yellow. So I'm going to use the sunflower color. It's a bright yellow and I want the stripes to be yellow. So I'm just going to go ahead and stencil over the top of that. After I get it all taped off, taping it off helps me to avoid stenciling on other portions of the stencil. So you'll see me do that sometimes with stenciling. So I'm going to go ahead and just pounce. And again, you want to make sure you have a dry brush. So you see me offload the paint down there on the towel. And then I take it off. And I like the way that it looks, but I'm going to go ahead and take this small round brush and take a little bit more paint and just start to outline the bee. So you see how I'm just creating some more definition there and I'm outlining it. This is called a bridge brush, and what it does is it bridges the gaps in between that the stencil creates. And then I've decided to go ahead and add just a little bit more sunflower onto those stripes just to make them pop a little bit more. So the bridge brushes you can actually get from Essential Stencil as well, or you can just use any small round brush that you have, and we're just bridging those gaps in between. So then I'm going to go ahead and take my Midnight color and the Pouncer brush, and I am just adding some detail around the edge of this bag. So I'm just pouncing it. I'm not using any particular pattern or anything. I'm just adding a little bit of definition and character to the edges of this bag. I like the way it kind of frames in our artwork there from our stencil. So then I'm taking this really fun bright red with white polka dot fabric and I'm creating a simple little shoestring bow. The fabric is, I would say, about 4 inches wide. I like to use really wide fabric and I am making a dovetail on them now. And then we're just going to end up hot gluing this down. It just looks really cute and I feel like it just brings a nice pop of color to the bag. So I decided to go ahead and add some of the Midnight color chalk paint to the handles as well. And I'm giving them a good dry and hot gluing the bow down, and it really is that fun and easy. And you have a reusable gift bag. You can use it for gifting or use it for yourself. I hope you enjoyed this DIY. Make sure to like and follow for more, and bye for now.